Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be doing a quick review of Cloudfield. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Cloudfield deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. Cloudfield is an eyewear brand that focuses on bamboo sunglasses, wooden sunglasses, and blue light blocking glasses. The company combines eco-friendly materials with stylish designs aiming to provide comfortable and affordable eyewear for both outdoor activities and daily screen use. One of Cloudfield's biggest strengths is its use of real bamboo and sustainable materials. The frames are lightweight, durable, and comfortable to wear, while also offering a unique natural appearance that stands out from traditional plastic frames. Because each wooden or bamboo frame has its own grain pattern, many pairs have a distinctive look. For outdoor use, Cloudfield sunglasses feature polarized lenses with UV protection designed to help reduce glare and protect against UVA and UVB rays. This makes them suitable for activities such as driving, hiking, fishing, traveling, and everyday wear. Many users appreciate the combination of eye protection and stylish design. The brand also offers blue light blocking glasses for people who spend long hours using computers, smartphones, tablets, or gaming devices. These glasses are designed to help reduce digital eye strain and improve viewing comfort during extended screen sessions. Another advantage is affordability. Cloudfield positions itself as a brand that offers fashionable eyewear without the premium pricing often associated with designer sunglasses and specialty blue light glasses. The main drawback is that, while the products offer good value for the price, they may not provide the same premium materials, lens technology, or brand recognition as some high-end eyewear companies. Overall, Cloudfield is worth considering if you're looking for stylish, eco-friendly eyewear that combines comfort, UV protection, and blue light filtering at an accessible price. The bamboo construction, polarized lenses, and modern designs make the brand appealing for both outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users. If you're looking for discounts, Cloudfield frequently offers seasonal sales, bundle promotions, first-time customer offers, and occasional coupon codes through its official website. Checking current deals before purchasing can help you save money. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Cloudfield deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.